If Chrome keeps sending you to random websites, pop-ups, or sketchy pages you never asked for, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to stop redirects in Google Chrome using a few simple settings that can make a big difference. We'll turn on Chrome's built-in redirect protection, block notifications from shady sites, and clear out corrupted browsing data that may be causing the problem. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps most of the protection and browsing safety options. Now click Site Settings. On this page, you'll find controls for things websites are allowed to do, including pop-ups, redirects, notifications, camera access, and more. Scroll all the way down until you see pop-ups and redirects. Click on it and make sure the setting under default behavior is set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This is one of the most important steps because it helps Chrome block unwanted page jumps before they load. If a website tries to send you somewhere suspicious, this setting can stop a lot of that behavior right away. It's a simple change, but it can save you from constantly getting bounced around to ads, fake warnings, or unsafe pages. So if you haven't already, double check that this option is turned off for redirects and pop-ups. Next, we're going to block notifications from shady sites. A lot of users accidentally allow notifications on a website without realizing it, and that can lead to repeated redirects, spam alerts, and unwanted pop-ups later on. To fix that, stay in Site Settings and go to Notifications. Scroll down to the Allowed to Send Notifications section. Here, look carefully through the list of websites. If you see anything suspicious, unfamiliar, or something you definitely do not remember allowing, click the three dots next to it and choose Remove or Block. This step is very important because a bad site can keep pushing annoying content through notifications even after you leave the page. Take a moment to clean up anything you don't recognize. If you visited a lot of websites recently, it's worth reviewing the full list one by one. Even one bad permission can cause recurring redirect problems, so removing those permissions can help Chrome feel much safer and much cleaner. Now, let's move on to the next fix, which is clearing corrupted browsing data. Sometimes a bad script, broken file, or infected cached element from a website can keep forcing Chrome to redirect you even after the original page is gone. Clearing that data gives Chrome a fresh start. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the issue. Then, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the most important items for this fix. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data. After the process finishes, close Chrome completely and restart it. This gives the browser a chance to reload without the old corrupted files that may have been triggering redirects. In many cases, that alone can solve the issue. If Chrome is still redirecting after this, go back and double check your notification permissions and redirect settings again. Sometimes, the cause is a combination of a shady permission and leftover browsing data, so it's worth reviewing everything carefully. Also, make sure your Chrome browser is fully updated because security updates can improve protection against malicious websites. So to recap, the three main steps are: turn on Chrome's redirect protection, remove notification permissions from suspicious sites, and clear your browsing data to get rid of anything corrupted or unsafe. These fixes are quick, they're free, and they can make Chrome much more secure and much less annoying to use. If this tutorial helped you stop redirects in Google Chrome, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.